Hello everyone. Welcome back to the lecture series of ICSE 9th Maths. We were doing the sums from expansion chapter from R.S. Agarwal. We did from exercise 3A till question number 23. Today we are going to start from question number 26. My name is Arpita Banerjee and you are watching Arpita classes. So in question 6, what is given to us? A square minus 4a minus 1 equal to 0, and we need to prove those 4 things from there. Okay, so let us start from here. A square minus 4a minus 1 equal to 0. In this we'll divide all the term by a. So write down dividing all the terms by a. So this will be a square by a minus 4a by a minus 1 upon a equal to 0. Now a square by a is a. Here a and a gets cancelled. This is 4 minus 1 upon a is equal to 0. So a minus 1 upon a, I'll get 4 that side, will be 4. So we got the first finding, that is a minus 1 upon a is equal to 4. Now for the second part, we'll start from a minus 1 upon a is equal to 4 and we'll square both the sides. Write down squaring both sides. So after squaring both sides, we get a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 4 square. Now a minus 1 upon a whole square, we'll put the formula for a minus b whole square. So that's a square minus 2 into a into b plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 4 square is 16. Here a and a will get cancelled. So a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square is equal to 16, or a square plus 1 upon a square is 16 plus 2, that is 18. So now we got a square plus 1 upon a square, that is the fourth part. So here we got the fourth part. Now let us try for the second part, that is a plus 1 upon a whole, a plus 1 upon a. So for that we'll find out a plus 1 upon a whole square. The formula for that is a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a the whole square. Now here a and a will get cancelled. So we'll get a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. So I'll write it in a little arranged manner, a square plus 1 upon a square together and plus 2 separately. Because a square plus 1 upon a square is 18. So I'll put 18 plus 2, that is 20. So I got a square plus 1 upon a square also. Now only the last part is remaining, that is the third part. This is the second part. So only the third part, that is a square minus 1 upon a square. So I'll do it here. The second part, that is a square minus 1 upon a square. The formula for that is a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. Now a plus 1 upon a we got a plus, okay, this was a plus 1 upon a whole square. So a plus 1 upon a would be, 1 minute, this was 18 plus 2, that is 20. So a plus 1 upon a would be root of 20, that is 4 into 5, 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Now there we will put the value of a plus 1 upon a, that is 2 root 5 into a minus 1 upon a, that is 4. So it will be 8 root 5. So the answer for a square minus 1 upon a square is 8 root 5. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 27 is given. A is equal to 1 upon a minus 5 and we have to prove all those 4 parts. So let us start from here. A is equal to 1 upon a minus 5. Let us cross multiply. It will be a into a minus 5 is 1. So a square minus 5a minus 1 equal to 0. I got my 1 this side. See, now this we got just like the previous sum. Now we'll divide all the things, all the terms by a. So a square by a minus 5a upon a minus 1 upon a equal to 0. A square by a we get a minus, this is 5 minus 1 upon a is equal to 0, or a minus 1 upon a is equal to 5. I got 5 this side. So the first part we got a minus 1 upon a is equal to 5. Now the second part, or let us see which part we get from here. A minus 1 upon a is equal to 5. Now we'll square both the sides. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 5 square. So put the formula here, a square minus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 25. Now here a and a will get cancelled. So it's a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square is equal to 25. Now I'll get 2 that side. So it will be a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 25 plus 2. That is a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 27. So I got the last part, that is the fourth part here. Okay. Now next part is, let us now do a plus 1 upon a whole square. Let us find out the formula for that. Write down the formula. The formula is a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a the whole square. Here a and a will get cancelled. So we get a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. I'll write it in an organized way. So I'll write it as a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. And a square plus 1 upon a square is 27. So I'll put the value for that, 27 plus 2, that is 29. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is 29. Therefore I'll write a plus 1 upon a is equal to root of 29. This is a plus 1 upon a is root of 29. So we got the third part as well. Here we got the third part. Now only the last part is remaining, that is the, this is the second part. This is the second part, a plus 1 upon a. Now the third part is remaining, that is a square minus 1 upon a square. The formula for that is a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. Now look, we have both the values, a plus 1 upon a is root 29. So put root 29 into a minus 1 upon a is 5. So put 5 over here. So the final answer is 5 root 29. So final answer is 5 root 29. So children, in today's video we have just covered two questions, question number 26 and question number 27. Both the questions are of same type and these are very important questions. Please revise these two questions nicely as you get this type of questions in the paper. So in the next video we are going to start from question number 28. Stay tuned and subscribe the channel and press the like button if you like what I am doing. Thank you so much.